Okay, good morning, student. Today topics is preparation of phenols. Preparation of phenols. And next one is physical properties, and third one is chemical properties. So, chemical properties. See, chemical properties. Electrophilic substitution. First one is reaction with metals. Reaction with metals to formation and another compound. Phenol to react with any metals, sodium or magnesium, aluminum, silicon, any metals to formation and phenoxide ions. Chemical properties. Chemical properties. First one to reaction with metal. Reaction with metal. Phenol to react with any metal. Phenol to react with any metals. Sodium had sodium, 2 moles of sodium, and to formation. The product is formed phenoxide ion. Sodium phenoxide ion ONA. ONA and 2 moles of removal of Na and H plus ions is there. Only 1 mole of 1 mole sodium to react with sodium phenoxide and to formation H plus ion. This is the sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide. So preparation chemical properties of phenols is phenols to react with sodium metal and to formation sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide O minus H plus ion dissociation to formation O minus H plus ion Na plus attack the O minus compound and removal of H plus ion. This is the sodium phenoxide ion and to formation reaction with metal. This reaction is reaction with metals. Second one is reaction with sodium hydroxide NaOH. Reaction with NaOH. To phenol to react with sodium hydroxide. Phenol to react with sodium hydroxide NaOH. Sodium hydroxide. And to formation, this is also sodium phenoxide ion. O minus Na plus. And to removal of H2O, water molecules are removal. Sodium phenoxide ion and to removal of water molecule. This is the Na plus ion. This is the O minus attack the H plus ion, OH minus and removal. And to removal of water molecule. And Na plus OH minus. So then division Na plus OH minus into formation Na plus attack the O minus, OH attack the H plus ion to removal of water molecule. This is the sodium phenoxide ion. Phenol to react with sodium hydroxide and to formation sodium phenoxide ion and to removal of water molecule. This is the reaction with sodium hydroxide and to formation. Next one is SDT of phenols. Third one is SDT of phenols. SDT of phenols. SDT of phenols. Phenol OH and backward reaction and forward reaction. This is the symbol of backward and forward reaction or reversible reaction, backward and forward or reversible reaction. And phenol to react, phenol, SDT of phenol to backward reaction or forward and reversible reaction. This is the, so break up the OH bond, O bond to hydrogen, hydrogen to oxygen bond, break up into formation O minus H plus ion. So O minus plus removal of H plus ion. This SDT of phenol. This is the SDT of phenol or phenoxide ion. This name is, this compound name is or structure name is phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion. Acidity of alcohols. Alcohols are phenols. Reversible reaction and break up the oxygen to hydrogen bond and to formation phenoxide ion and removal of H plus ions. And H plus ion removal and phenoxide ions are to structure of resonance structure. 5 structures is there. Resonance structures 5 structures. First structure and fifth structure is same, but bond is rotated. Bond is rotated and to form formation of phenoxide ion, SDT of alcohols or phenols. And next one, first one is reaction with metal, second one is reaction with sodium hydroxide, third one is SDT of phenols. SDT of phenols and phenol to and formation phenoxide ion, removal of H plus ions. And to next one is resonance structure of phenoxide ion. Resonance structure of phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion O minus negative charge and lone pair of electron and bonds is rotated. To oxygen lone pair of electrons are and shifted to the oxygen to carbon and to this bond is shifted to the this corner and to this is the first position. And next one is, this is the negative charge and double bond formation, lone pair of electron. And next one is this negative charges, they rotate the bond. This is the second bond, second structure, and to O minus lone pair of electron bond formation. This is the negative charge and to this is the third structure. Next, fourth structures is double bond O minus. This is the shifted to the this one, the bond is shifted and again to bond. This is the negative charge. Fourth structure. And next one is shifted to the negative charge and again to the double bond, shifted to the oxygen. And fifth structure is first structure, but this is the bond formation. This is the fifth structure. First phenoxide ion to rotate the bond shifted first carbon to second carbon to third carbon, fifth to sixth, and double bond formation plus the single bond formation, same to same first structure to fifth structure, but rotate the bonds. And this is the resonance structures of phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion, SDT of phenols, SDT of phenols to backward reaction, forward reaction to formation phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion to resonance structure 5 structures is there. So this is the preparation or chemical reactions of chemical properties of phenols.